So at this point, we've drawn all 6 figures. We have them all, and I've still got them all open in Fusion 360. I can find them. Let's see, I don't need the box anymore, so I can just close that. Just save it. Click on that. Okay, so I've got the 3 things. I've got 301 and point -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. Okay, so the task here is going to be doing the next step. The next step is, we've done part 1 here. We're now going to do part 2. And part 2 says that we're going to create a multi-view drawing for each of these objects. And there's a few things we need to remember. We're going to use the template. ANSI, it's not ANSI, it's, we'll see here, it's AMSE. Anyway, it's a standard, and it'll make sense here in a minute. And we're going to use the sheet A, and we want to do 11 by 8.5. And we just want to make sure that it's millimeter units. So the first little video I have will just show us real quick how to set that up. And then I'll just show you how to open each document and create the drawing. Okay, so here's we go. We go to, let me turn this stuff so that my writing disappears. Okay, so now we go to our first drawing, and we want to create a drawing. So here's how we do it. We go here to this little file spot with the down triangle. We find the one that says New Drawing from Design. So it'll take this design and convert a drawing that's a multi-view from it. Okay, now the only thing that we have to do, see, I wrote this wrong, it should be ASME. I'll have to change that eventually. So I want to do the ASME. Okay, it's a standard that we'll use. We'll just double check and make sure it's millimeters, still for units. The millimeters works best on our 3D printers. That's why we're focusing on millimeters. And then we're going to use a 11 inch by 8.5 inch sheet of paper like we have at the printer, and we're going to use it in the landscape mode, which is 11 first. We've got 2 of them here. We want to do the second one. Click on OK. Now when it comes up, it's going to have a default title block. We'll change that another time. Right now it's really cool to see that it has the project and title already down, and the reason why it was nice to have those numbers is it automatically fills it in. So for now I'm just going to place this somewhere. This is the base view of the object, and we just click on to place it. Now right now we have visible hidden lines hidden. I'm going to make this a 1-to-1, so I want it a little bit larger than it was. And I want to just move it to visible edges only. Click OK. Okay, see, it's already drawn that part for me. That's the front view. Now to get rid of this segment, which we just need to do, I'm selecting it this way, press delete on the keyboard. And now the really cool thing about this is I can move this now so that it fits here. I'm not going to worry about the title block for this assignment. We'll do that on the next one, so don't worry too much about it at this point. Okay, so we've got this part here. Now the next thing is to draw the right, top, and model view. It's relatively simple here. We click on Projected View, click on the first object we have here, and then move our mouse over to the right side, click, move our mouse above to do the top view, click, and then move our mouse over here to do the model view and click. Then when we're done, we're going to click on the green check here, and it is complete. So this is as far as you need to go at this point. We want to go through and create a new drawing for each of the objects. And then we'll come back later and add dimensions to them. Okay, so let's go ahead and save this one. It's already got the name and it's appended drawing on it. That's good enough for me. Click Save, and we're good.